Hey, how's it going? I need to prepare you for what might be a long video, and before I even get started, I know it might be hard for you to do this, but I'm really hoping you can share this video. Maybe it's not for you, but if you share it, it might be for somebody else that kind of needs to hear what I'm really trying to say here. So please share this video, subscribe to the channel, because the bigger my channel gets, the more reach I'm gonna have to help other people. Many of you know that's one of my biggest goals in life, is just to help others. And of course, like this video, because if YouTube sees that this video is getting likes and comments, YouTube will push it out to other people, and hopefully, again, it will help somebody out. I don't know if you believe in a God or universe, you're religious or spiritual. I've always believed in something bigger than us. For this instance, we'll just call it God. God has a way of speaking to us all the time. And I'd like to share a little story with you guys. So for the past, we'll say month, could be a little more, could be a little less, I've been in a real bad, rainy, snowy, dark, cloudy season. Very angry with myself and not liking who I am. Just cannot stand my being. To the point where I'm like, what's the point of me even being here? Everybody would be better off if I wasn't here. There's a couple of things to that. The first one, I would never actually do anything to myself because I'm a big klutz and I don't have the balls. Even if I tried to do something, I'd probably mess it up and then, I don't know, I'd be worse off than what I was before. And my kids, when I look at my kids, I need them. I can't leave them. So my story is I went to Costco within the last week and I come across an elderly gentleman. He's 90 and he had shared that his wife passed away 6 years ago. I'm condensing the story because I think him and I were chatting for about an hour, and he said he had had enough. He was done with life. So he arranged what he would do to take his own life. He was in the process. He was ready to go ahead with it. Before he was going to actually do it, he either saw a picture of his wife in the mirror or he saw his wife in the mirror. I still didn't fully catch that part. And from that moment on, he doesn't even think of it. Now, God has a way of communicating with us through other means. As I was speaking with this gentleman, sharing, he was saying he's never going to do it again because he still has a purpose here in life. He still has work to do while he's here. He doesn't know what that is yet, but he feels there's a reason he's here. And I explained to him, I believe that as well. I believe I'm here for a reason. Otherwise, I probably would have checked out back when I was 17 and I had the brain surgery, stroke, 2 cardiac arrests, and all that other medical stuff. But I'm still here. Now, I don't know if this gentleman knew that I was feeling dark and I was feeling down. I wasn't liking myself. I don't know. But he looked me in the eyes. His name is Chris, funny enough. And he says, Chris, don't do it. I was kind of taken by that. At first I was like, well, what do you mean don't do it? Okay. And I think that was my response was, okay. He said something along the lines of, you are still needed. Don't do it. So I kind of looked up. It was a quick glance up and I looked at him and I said, thank you. I kind of needed that. If you are watching this right now, don't do it. You are still needed. I know how dark it can get in there, how painful it can feel. You are loved. I also understand that these are just words that are coming from some random guy on YouTube. Don't do it. A friend of mine had her son take his life. He was in so much mental pain. Him and I, we chatted quite a bit. It actually came as a shock when it happened because I thought everything was on the up and up. He was in so much pain that not even his own child could keep him here. I don't know how to help you if you're struggling mentally. If the noise in your head is super loud, I can give you a whole bunch of tips. I can share techniques that might help you. All I can say is you are loved. Don't do it. We love you. So this shave is a bit of a tribute shave to Jeff. It's a shave for you guys out there that are struggling, cannot see that way out. This is for you. I love you. We love you. Please stay with us. This will be a Never Alone shave. I'll be using the Never Alone 4 shave soap, the Never Alone 4 Carve Bison, and I have my Never Alone 4 Badger Brush Soaking. And I will be ending the shave off with the Never Alone 4 Aftershave Balm. I think I did all the talking that I needed to do. I'm just gonna go shave. Please guys, share this video. Somebody out there I think is gonna need it in some way, shape, or form. Even if you think, no one's gonna give a shit about this video, prove me wrong. Share it anyways and prove me wrong. I'd rather be proven wrong than for you to just say, I'm gonna keep it to myself and not let somebody else see it. You are never alone. Don't do it. You're loved. And on that note, you have yourself a great shave, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.